Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the system. Make sure Equalizer APO is installed and assigned to the correct capture device in the configuration editor. Once done, open Windows Settings and enable microphone access under Privacy, because without permissions filters won't run. If you prefer a GUI, install piece and link it to Equalizer APO so you can see active processing. These steps remove the most common blockers. Next, you will check driver and device routing, so audio actually flows through the APO chain. Now you configure routing and behavior. Open the APO configurator and ensure the correct microphone is selected as a capture device, then save and restart the APO service so changes apply. Next, open Sound Control Panel and confirm that the same physical or virtual device is set as default device or default communication device for recording. Make sure sample rates match between the microphone, Windows, and Equalizer APO, mismatches like 44, 100 versus 48, 00. Finish by validating processing. Add a simple gain filter in the APO configuration so you can hear an obvious change, and disable any complex chains to isolate the problem. Then confirm the recording app has microphone permission and that exclusive mode is off or on per your setup, because exclusive mode can bypass APO. If the mic still doesn't process, restart the PC. As a last resort, reinstall Equalizer APO and reassign the device. Key tip: if nothing changes, test with another capture device to rule out hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.